A great helper in the home, starch applications that you had no idea. It turns out that starch is a great helper in the house. With it, you can make a bunch of utilities, dishes and household chores. The benefits of starch are also highly praised by nutritionists because of its low calorie content and high nutritional value. But that is far from all. Starch in products. There are three main types of starch used in cooking. It is potato, corn and rice starch. Corn and rice are most often used for making delicate desserts and sweets. Potato is best for sauces, meatballs and soups. If you want to know if starch is present in a particular product, just drop a little iodine on its piece. If there is starch on the cut, the product will turn blue. And if not, the color will not change. When cooking gravy, starch is also needed. It will thicken its consistency and make the sauce more saturated. If you make meat sauce, be sure to add oil to the starch. This is a great tandem for this occasion. If you need to glue paper, cloth or cardboard, use a paste. This is an affordable glue from starch, which was also used by our parents. It is ideal for wallpapering, especially if the surface of the walls has been painted. Do you want to make a sponge cake lush and without flour flavor? Add starch to the dough, in a proportion of 1 part of starch to 10 parts of flour. Such a culinary technique will make the dough soft and loose, just what you need for excellent baking. If you make a breading of starch with spices, the meat inside will remain juicy and soft. And the crust will be thin and crispy. Such a batter is suitable for fish, as, indeed, for other seafood. Add just a few spoons of any starch to the water and the silverware will shine like brand new. The fact is that starch particles are a natural abrasive. They act like the smallest sandpaper. And also its chemical properties will help remove dark plaque from the surface of the product. Take a few grams of starch and drop a little favorite essential oil on it. Shake it. Due to the fact that starch absorbs odors, you get aromatic, natural powder for the body without harmful additives. If you cook with starch, do not forget that he will take part of the taste. So feel free to add salt, sugar, spices a little more than usual. In addition, do not abuse it. Add starch beyond measure, for example, to pancakes, and the dough will become rubber. As you can see, starch is a lifesaver for any housewife. It is useful not only in the kitchen, but also in everyday life. And we, in turn, hope that we helped you reach its potential. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.